My name is Ben. I'm the owner-operator of MadCon. I'm here working for the Army Corps of Engineers, repairing the levee. We're using an SV75 skid steer and a Kubota 40. We're taking rock with a Kubota skid steer from this stockpile down the levee and placing it with this Kubota Mini. So once the skid steer gets back with a load of rock, we're going to walk the Kubota Mini down and start placing rock along the levee where it's eroding away.
Well, I crashed my drone. It's my first time crashing it in a tree, and I gotta go find it right now. Well, there's a first time for everything. My drone is stuck right there, and if it falls, it's gonna go into the water. So I gotta wait till they bring the excavator over and see if we can reach it. Hopefully they can use the thumb and just grab it and pull it out. Hopefully this works. Sweet. Now I gotta go clean it up, change the batteries, and see if it's still working.